Okay, so Miss Alisha, Aster DM Healthcare right now is, it's expanding. It's one of the fastest growing conglomerates in the region.
Yeah.
And you're expanding, heavily in Oman with this new Aster Royal Hospital. Can you tell us a little bit more about, the new hospital that you opened?
Sure. Thank you, Eva. So I think the most important thing is we're on the wake of a pandemic, and everyone's realized the most important thing is healthcare. And what we've really tried to do with this new hospital is how do we cater better to the community here in Oman. We've been here for the last 14 years. This is our 5th hospital. We've got 10 medical centers. But a lot of people in Oman earlier used to go out for care, maybe because there were some services not available. Sometimes they want to travel outside. What we really want to do with Oman Royal Hospital, the Aster Royal Hospital, is see how we can have most of these services available within the country and make this a destination for healthcare, so people they have much more accessibility to the quality care without having to travel too far. So that's really one of the biggest differentiators for us. So we've really expanded the scope. We've had, like I said, 4 other hospitals before, but here we've gone into now cardiology, neurosciences, neurosurgery, interventional radiology. We're looking at oncology. So it's really about having a fully functional multi-speciality with all services right at the footsteps for the people of Oman.
Now, can you tell me what your views are on the future of healthcare in Oman?
So I think there's the vision of the leadership, the Sultan, we met the Minister of Health. It's really about how do we enhance the quality of care? How is it that we can bring the best services to the people here? There is a lot of discussion around the metrics, the international standards, the benchmarking. And for us as a conglomerate, as you were saying, we see more than 20 million patients in a year. It's about having the highest quality of standards being brought to Oman. All our hospitals are either JCI accredited, NABH accredited, Canadian accredited, and we're always trying to raise the bar in healthcare. And that's exactly the vision that we are hearing from the leadership here. How do we bring the best of the world here as well? And how do we keep raising the bar? So I think that's the most important thing. And the other part of it is more about awareness, more about preventative healthcare, and more about even using digital to make sure that you're taking care of your health. I think this is a shift we saw very drastically during COVID, and then it kind of fell off. What we want to do with the community is how do we bring back that awareness, make sure that we are all responsible for our own health. Doctors can do so much, the healthcare system can do so much, but so much of it is just dependent on each individual person. So we want to put a lot of effort and emphasis to seeing how the community can enhance its own well-being and us being a partner in that healthcare journey.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much. Now, you are a very inspiring person. Can you tell me what your success mantra is?
Thank you for those compliments. And honestly, the success mantra is you're only as strong as your people. I haven't been to Oman in more than 2 years. This whole facility has come up because we have an unbelievable team here. So at the end of the day, you can only go so much as one person or 10 people or 20 people. We're close to 30,000 people now. And it's people who are so passionate and care so much about healthcare and about the nobility of this profession and the work that we do. We truly take serving our patients almost as a moral responsibility with the highest level of accountability and responsibility. And that's really the secret. How do you get great people who are passionate, who care about the mission, and then who think of it as a purpose towards humanity?
That's lovely. Thank you so much.